I saw a blue bird. I saw a blue bird. Sun. The sun is very hot today. The sun is very hot today. Fox. The fox runs very fast. The fox runs very fast. Bag. The bag is full now. The bag is full now. Flower. This is a red flower. Cup. He drinks from a cup. He drinks from a cup. Stream. A stream runs through the forest. A stream runs through the forest. Bus. The bus is late today. The bus is late today. Hat. He wears a blue hat. He wears a blue hat. Bed. He sleeps on the bed. He sleeps on the bed.